afternoon. Tom and Patka here at Fermata. Here is the last snap about the summer camp starting next week. Summer Music Camp. Various tools going to be used, starting from stepping piano. Let's go! So, stepping pianos can be easy to learn, not for me, but for the children that will join the summer camps. Diatonic bells, stepping pianos, guitar, violin, and many other activities going on the summer camps between 3rd and 7th of July. We're only taking 12 students to elevate their music skills, so join us.
To join us this July, visit our website www.fermatamusicschool.ie.
And we will be waiting for you guys.
See you all this July.
Bye!